Samsung has exploded higher plus 8.22% to $309,500, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Sunday, July 5th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Global equities are pushing higher. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is broadly flat at $7,483.24, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. NASDAQ 100 dropped sharply -1.61% to $29,329. Equity markets are responding to reports that RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Dow Jones is up +1.14%, trading at $52,900. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. DAX is trading higher by +0.78%, at $25,779. The move follows reports that Stock Market Today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound, economy Middle East. FTSE 100 ticked up +0.25% to $10,679. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung surged +8.22% to $309,500 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HBM3 yield rates for AI training chips are the most critical near-term metric. Any positive update would drive a meaningful earnings upgrade cycle. The memory upcycle is intact, but Samsung's foundry losses are a drag. A recovery in smartphone DRAM pricing would add a second earnings lever. Northrop Grumman surged +5.59% to $549.01 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Northrop Grumman, NOC, has a long-cycle deterrence and mission systems engine bigger than a budget debate. Alpha Street. Government IT and classified programs provide stable base earnings that are often underappreciated. The next intercontinental ballistic missile contract is a potential large upside catalyst. Watch for any DoD budget line item commentary on space programs. Meta made a dramatic move today, plunged -4.90% to $582.90. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Meta's next RE bet has one major catch for investors: Yahoo Finance Singapore. The advertising engine continues to outpace expectations. AI-driven targeting improvements are delivering direct revenue per user gains each quarter. The key variable to watch is engagement per user as Reels, Stories, and Threads compete for time. Reality Labs' losses are the one overhang, but core momentum is exceptional. Apple surged +4.84% to $308.63 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Apple's stock forecast, can Apple Intelligence spark the next iPhone supercycle? Trading key. The market is pricing in a multi-year AI-driven super upgrade cycle. That may be optimistic on timing, but the services business provides a floor to earnings growth. Near term, any iPhone demand commentary from Asian supply chain checks will move the stock. The Vision Pro trajectory is less relevant for near-term earnings. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that Stock Market Today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound, economy Middle East. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Turning to commodities. Brent crude ticked up to $72.13 per barrel, up 0.46% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that oil's supply wave, tumbling prices rekindle fears of global glut, the Business Times. WTI crude ticked up to $68.78 per barrel, up 0.13% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that oil's supply wave, tumbling prices rekindle fears of global glut, the Business Times. Natural gas climbed to $3.25, up 1.53% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound, economy Middle East. Gold climbed to $4,187.30 per troy ounce, up 1.81% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by safe havens aren't behaving like they used to. Here's what's changed. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Samsung sits around $328,070. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.14, gaining 0.55% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, gaining 0.08% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 161.34, losing 0.74% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. Here is your market watchlist heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.